Hey there. I'm just finished a pour. This one here, not a pour really, well yeah, a puddle pour. I just finished that, and I have some leftover paint that I just want to do a negative pour with. So actually I needed more white, so I mixed a little bit more white. It's the same paints, Artist Loft Flow Acrylic for white. I've got metallic black, Artist Loft neon blue, Artist Loft metallic purple, and Liqitex basic silver. And it's the same medium that's in the paint that I used for the other pour. Curry's medium varnish gloss, and then water. So I'm just going to put some white on the board here. I'll save a little bit. I'm just going to move it around. I don't want to lose it here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it with, after I just move it a little bit here, I'll spread it around. Just going to get the edges. It's already done. Still see it yet? Okay, I'm just going to put you on pause for a minute. Okay, so now I'm just going to add the paint into this cup here. Okay, what color should I add next? I will add purple. Black, blue, some gray, or silver I should say. Might as well just put it all in there. It's probably going to be too much gray, but that's okay. It's just it's extra paint that I had left over, so it doesn't matter. Oh, and what I'm using to pour on is just a wood board that was cut, and I sanded, I sanded the edges to make them smoother. So just like a plywood board, but it's like Better quality. It's not rough. It's quite soft. Smooth, I should say. A little bit of this. Not enough of the there. Some more black. Some other blue from before, and I'm gonna add that to it because I don't think I have enough colors in there. I have a lot of gray and white. Okay, where's the lid? Okay. Use the last of that. And I'm just gonna, can't lift the board up and do that, so I'm gonna have to just quickly flip it. Just gonna, seems to be stuck quite a bit. I'm just going to slightly lift it up a bit and let it move around. It's a lot of paint. Oh, that's okay. Most of it's gonna go off. Don't really want to lose that. That's a lot of really nice cells right there. So I'm going to go this way a bit. Oops. I'm going to go get a straw and I'm going to blow it around, but first I'm going to put my heat gun on it. It's not doing a whole lot. put a little more white on this corner. Seems to be, I didn't put any white on the corner here, so, or on the edge, so just going to do that. Okay, that's it. So thank you for watching. I will just show you a close-up. There's a few cells that's happening. I've got to make sure I have it on auto focus first. Okay. Yep, now it's on. Alrighty. So this is just leftover paint from a previous pour, and I added a little bit more blue in it. I think it's called Copenhagen blue. Deco Art Copenhagen blue. And I will show the dried results at the end of this video. Okay. So, thank you for watching and have a good night. Bye-bye. Hello. So, my painting is dry now, and it hasn't changed anything. It hasn't changed at all. It really, because I added different color as well as my other leftover colors. Some of it is a little bit glossy, but there's parts that aren't, because I added another right here. I added another leftover paint that I had, so it didn't have that same medium in it, but the rest of it is kind of glossy. So I do probably have to varnish this one. If I didn't use that paint, I wouldn't have to varnish it. As you can see, it is shiny and kind of glossy, and it looks like it's protected pretty good. So I will show you a close-up of it. Okay, then thank you for watching my videos, and have a great day. Bye for now.